Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys this 360 lace wig that I got. Come on and see if it's yay or nay with this unit. Alright everyone, this is how the unit came in this pink box here. And there's some eyelashes with it. And here is the unit. It's in this big plastic bag. Looks good so far, you guys. Very nice. And it comes with 3 combs. So it looks. There's 3 combs, 2 at the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. And this is how the cap is constructed. It has the drawstrings here at the back. And there it goes. It looks like it's plucked, you guys. Yeah, I think it's pre-plucked. Look at that. The hairline looks good. Yep, so this is the unit. Alright you guys, here I am. I'm having my daughter help me put it on. And we're just in the process of cutting the lace off. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. Now when my daughter's cutting the lace, she said you're not to cut the lace straight. She cuts the lace with a little zigzag so it's not straight. And look at the parting, you guys. The parting goes way back. And it is plucked. You can see it. The hairline is plucked. Yeah, my daughter says not to do a blunt cut. Kind of shimmy the scissors and cut the lace as you go along. So that's what she's doing for me. As you see, you guys, the hairline is plucked. You get far spacing, a lot of space to part. The hair goes right back. I can cut some baby hair into the lace, everything. It's really nice. The hairline is the bomb. Alright, you guys, here we go. Here's the unit. Now I'm gonna give myself a part here. And then I'm gonna activate the curls a bit. Oh, the hair feels good so far, you guys. Really nice. So we're just gonna use some conditioner and water and spritz down the hair to help activate up the curls. And now we're gonna use some Eco Styler gel. I like using Eco Styler gel on my curls to help activate them. Why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? I'm going to use the Deming brush and comb through the hair to help the curls more. Alright everyone, here's the hair. It's all dry, yeah. This is a 360 lace wig, you guys, and it's from the company I got it from is called MsLynn, and the texture of the hair is water wave. And it's 22 inches, you guys. So 22-inch 360 lace wig. Yeah, you guys, a wig. And the hair is soft. The hair is very soft and nice. I'm not sure the density of the wig, but the hair is very nice and it's soft. I like that about the hair. I like when the hair comes in and the texture, the feel of the hair is nice and soft, not trashy. It's nice and soft, and like I said, it's water wave, so it's nice. And it's 360, you guys, so the lace is all right around, and if you want you can pin up the back. Pin it up, it's nice. I didn't glue down my back, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. Yeah, So, but you have the option to do that because it's the lace goes all the way around. When I got the hair, at first when I rubbed my fingers through it, I did get some strands of hair come out. I did, you guys, but after that it hasn't been shedding since, so that's nice. I don't know what happened, but I did get a few strands, but after that, like I said, I don't have that problem anymore, so that's a plus. Yeah, that's good. And it's not matting and tangling, because that's what you don't want when you have your hair. You don't want no matting and stuff like that. And the waves are there, you know, I like waves. I love waves. Love curls too, but I love waves. And it's water wave, so it's nice. And because it's 360, you can part it anywhere. You see, in the beginning I had it part at the side, but I changed my mind and put it back to the center part because I like it. That's how it looks in the center part better. But you have the option, because the lace goes back like this, you get a good amount of parting space for your parts. Anywhere you want to put them, and you can part them at the deep side, flip it over this side, flip it over, up more, center, your option, because it's lace. So it's just like a frontal, and it's so much easier, you guys, when you buy your wig already made. OMG, it's such an ease, such an ease. No hassle of sewing the hair yourself. Oh, it was, buying the wigs made is such a great thing. Yeah. So, and it has the straps in the back, so I did tie the straps, and like I showed you, it has 2 combs in it. Was it 2 or 3 combs? I think it was 3 combs, you guys. 2 up here and 1 in the back. I'm trying to remember. I only used the 2 in the front, I didn't use the 1 in the back. Yeah, I used the drawstrings in the back. But you know, I'm loving this wig so far, you guys. I'm absolutely loving it. And you know, water waves, so you just get up, spritz it like you saw me do, and there you go, you're all set. But I absolutely love it. I do. It's so nice. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna leave a link below to MsLynn Hair Company, so you guys can go over there and check out the wigs, you guys. She has bundle deals and stuff like that too, but check out the wigs because it's already made. It's so easy, you know, just get the wig, take it out the bag, slap it on your head, there you go. And it's already plucked, you guys. I forgot to mention that this wig comes pre-plucked. The hairline is plucked. You don't have to do no work to it. The hairline is plucked, which is good. So you don't have to do no work with it. So that's a good thing. So like I said, I'm going to leave the link below to MsLynn Hair Company, and you can go over there and go get a wig for yourself. And I have in water wave wig, and it's 22 inches, right? So and she has curly, she has body wave, she has straight in the wigs. Or if you want the bundles, get the bundles. All right, everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my review today with my water wave 360 lace wig. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
You know I, baby, wave, baby. I'm waving.